All right, we're back here at Burns Brothers Performance. We're going to do another quick update on the Tammy Hall 69 Chevelle. We will kick off the video like we always do. One more here. Got it. All right, so what a treat today. We do have Tammy here looking at the Chevelle, and George is getting ready to do something that has been quite controversial with this car. Tammy wants the vinyl top removed. So she wants the whole car painted without a vinyl top. I, for one, support her in that. I'm a fan of no vinyl tops and being able to wax the whole car. Others, pretty much everybody else has been pushing back on that. So today's the day. George is going to grind off the rivets that hold the trim, and this is going to be the start of getting rid of the vinyl top.
It's a sad day.
It's a great day.
I think it's a great day. Yeah. Cheers.
Well, it's kind of a good day.
Cheers.
Yeah.
It's my birthday.
Oh, well, it is George's birthday.
Yeah.
It is George's
So
birthday.
I didn't get my wish. I got to grind the studs off.
Right. We'll save you guys the happy birthday song. We won't do any singing. But
do we want to talk about the car and where we're at and stuff first?
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay.
Take it away.
So a couple little details since we last met up. We got the fenders sitting on the car. Got the new hood for it. It's the second hood that we purchased for this car. The first one got a little shipping damage, so we unloaded that one and picked up this one. Just doing a little stripe mock-up to see if we like the width. Seems how these cars didn't come with stripes. We just want to make sure that it's going to look good for, you know, the visuals and all that stuff. So
What brand of hood?
this is a good mark. The other one was an AMD, and I've always been really happy with AMD products. I wasn't particularly happy with that hood, but I am really happy with this one. It did come from National Parts Depot. They sell it under their line, but it is the same as the Goodmark hood. The fenders, I had AMD fenders, and I wasn't happy with those either. So I ended up putting the original fenders back on the car, and I'll just deal with the bodywork. Rather than having to deal with the curvature that wasn't right and all that stuff. So a lot easier to fix these.
And at this point, the rust repair is...
It's about 95% done. I've got, since I'm reusing the original fenders, I've got a patch for that side to put on that lower, and then a small one on this side, and then I still have to finish the rear corners.
I'm looking at your... I'm looking at the pile.
Yeah, so that's the pile that came off the car, which is really not bad at all, considering the age of the car.
Nice.
Pretty happy with that. And then finally sourced all the parts for the astro ventilation, because we're swapping from AC to non-AC on this car. So I got all the pieces to go through the firewall and all that stuff. That was a little tricky to research all that, but we got that figured out. So
Good deal.
yeah.
Before we get to the grinding, a little bit about Tammy. So we mentioned it before. Tammy is no stranger to fast cars. She drives a Hellcat once in a while out at Woodburn. What's your low ET and top speed in that thing?
So the 1094 and 127 mile an hour.
All right.
Yeah.
And this car won't have a cage, but I wonder what it's going to run.
Faster than yours.
Tammy and I might have a match race planned
1150.
with our silver cars. Yeah, 1150 or slower, I'm sure.
Of course.
All right.
Yeah. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna grind a few of these studs off.
It's a ceremony.
This is ceremonial here.
There's nothing like a beer and burnt metal in the morning, right?
Yeah, you won.
I did too.
Good job.
Tammy won.
All right, we're gonna wrap it up there. Any final comments?
No, I'm super excited and super grateful that George is refinishing and redoing my car, restoring, excuse me. But yeah, just a lot of appreciation there.
It's going to be maybe beer and burning tires on one of these videos.
This
Yeah.
car will probably roast the tires.
Yeah.
We won't be afraid of any broken clutch parts or nothing like that in this one. So
Right.
we will get a video.
Right. Absolutely. All right, we're going to cut it off there. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.